In this session, I'll tell you how to help your kidney strongly. Do you know that there is acupuncture that improves your kidney? Hello, I'm Sky. I'm a licensed Oriental doctor. To improve your kidney, you first need to know whether your kidney function is weak or too strong. If you are born weak, you have to reinforce your kidney. In this case, you have to be careful about your kidneys. However, the prediction that the kidney have deteriorated in life despite being okay at birth means that other organs are responsible for this disease. In this case, no matter how good food or medicine is for the kidneys, the disease will not heal well. It's just a waste of money and effort. And one of the complications of diabetes is kidney dialysis, which is because the spleen is under the bad energy of diabetes. It's overloaded. It's a bit more excessive than expected, but that's what's causing the kidney to lose its energy. So, in this case, if diabetes isn't treated, your kidneys will also be in danger. People with the heart problems should also consider kidney problems. When the heart fails, the kidney loses control of the heart's overflowing energy. Then the kidneys start to heat up again. This leads to kidney problems again. Our organs are intertwined and intervened. So if you focus on only one organ, you will suffer until you die to treat the disease. What I'm telling you today is that improving the kidney is either adding to the energy of the kidney or cutting it a little bit. In this session today, we will use a treatment method to help the kidney's energy. The treatment method is at the end of this video. Before you question why do you use this method, try it first because it's actually treatment in Oriental medicine clinics. Look at the body's reaction after treatment. If there is no response or it's okay, you can continue with the treatment. This means that the kidney has a weak energy. However, if you feel uncomfortable after treatment and the discomfort persists, reverse the current method. And if you feel like you are going back to your original state or you feel better, you are in excess of the kidney energy right now. It is right to see and treat all diseases in this way. Just because you are told your kidneys are bad, if you use supplementary treatments or drugs, you can have unwanted bad results. No matter how good medicines, food, and health foods are, if their objects are too overloaded, they become poison. I hope you have another blessed day today. Please subscribe and set the notification before you leave. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.
Press the ballpoint pen gently on the point in the picture. Tilt the tip of the ballpoint pen about 45 degrees toward the head. 1, 2, and 3 are 1 set. Turn the tip of the ballpoint pen clockwise 9 sets. You have done for this point treatment. Press the ballpoint pen gently on the point in the picture. Tilt the tip of the ballpoint pen about 45 degrees toward the nail. 1, 2, and 3 are 1 set. Turn the tip of the ballpoint pen clockwise 9 sets. You have done for this point treatment. Press the ballpoint pen gently on the point in the picture. Tilt the tip of the ballpoint pen about 45 degrees toward the nail. 1 and 2 are 1 set. Turn the tip of the ballpoint pen counterclockwise 8 sets. You have done for this point treatment. Press the ballpoint pen gently on the point in the picture. Tilt the tip of the ballpoint pen about 45 degrees toward the nail. 1 and 2 are 1 set. Turn the tip of the ballpoint pen counterclockwise 8 sets. You have done for this point treatment.